what's up everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video, we have the Tusk Billet Kickstand. This is gonna work on the Yamaha WR and FX models as a complete replacement. So if you've damaged yours or you just wanna replace with a better looking, stronger option, it'll work. But who this is really gonna benefit are the Yamaha YZF owners, 450, 250. If your bike didn't come with a kickstand and you like to do some trail riding and you wish your bike did have a kickstand, this is exactly what you need. And I'm gonna preface this video with a story, because this happened to me. Long time ago, I went for a ride down south here in Utah, and I had a bike. It was a 2008 Honda 450. And I had never ridden a carbureted four-stroke before. And we got done, or we had stopped, and I didn't have a kickstand. I didn't have anywhere to put my bike. So I just laid it flat on the ground, and you probably can guess what happened. I ran the thing out of gas. It all came out of the float. And so I put it back up, started it, ran out of gas soon after. If I'd had a kickstand in that situation, wouldn't have happened. So don't be that guy. Don't go doing some trail riding and not have a kickstand because you're gonna wish you had one. What's nice about this is it's made from built aluminum, nice black finish to it. It looks way better than just the OEM kickstand if you did have one on your bike. But the install process on this is very simple. If you have a WR-FX, you just completely remove your foot peg bracket and mount for your kickstand. If you have an F model, you're just gonna remove your foot peg brackets, that simple. The rider of this WR has been pretty hard on this bike, and he actually had already bent the foot peg bracket, so he replaced the whole unit. But you're just gonna take your stock mount off, bolt this one on. It comes pre-assembled, so the kickstand itself will already be attached to the mount. So you just bolt it back on. There is one bolt that we give you that replaces the bolt that you have going through your roller here on your chain. Outside of that, you have this tab right here that goes to your subframe. Everything bolts on, you attach your spring, you're good to go. And what's nice about that is the install process being that simple is, let's say you have an F model that doesn't have a kickstand and you're a moto guy, but occasionally you'd like to go do some trail riding with your friends. Well, guess what? You can just put this on for those times that you're gonna be going and doing those types of rides, and then if you're going back to the track, take it off, put your OEM foot peg bracket back on there, you're good to go. So again, if you have an F model, wishing you had a kickstand for those situations, well, here you go. And if you have a WR-FX looking to replace yours for whatever reason, this thing's phenomenal. If you have questions, comments, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one of these, click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just make sure you use the drop-down menu on the product page to make sure you enter in the correct model app to ensure that it will fit your bike. But as always, we ship for free over 75 bucks. And to stay up to date on videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.